when I first started teaching, I would see some of their tests and some of the work that they did left in the classroom, and so I asked them to start keeping binders, 3-ring binders, and each chapter is separated within a section. So brakes, all the brakes chapters are separated, and then each chapter is done the same way.
The portfolio takes that chapter and it's like smashes it down into a smaller size to where it's all like the main basics, the big deal, like all the little specs are in here, and you can go over the whole chapter within like a 20-minute period, and everything in the chapter is on here.
We ask that you first start off by defining all the vocabulary words, because you have to know the terms when we're talking about them. If you've never heard it before, it would make it hard sometimes during the lesson.
All right, this is the beginning of it. When we start our vocab, we'll go through, and the vocab is a big part, and these words in these textbooks are highlighted in blue for the vocab. They're the main parts of all that, like you're learning, like this is drum brake systems. So when you're trying to explain something or you're learning something, you know what the basic part is, you know how it works, so you can learn all the little stuff that goes with it.
So we ask that you do the vocabulary, and then we ask that you take notes, and I try to provide that in a very organized fashion for them. And then we ask that you do the review questions and the ASC style questions at the end of the chapter, because they really do help develop some of the thought process that you need. And then we take the test, and then I ask that they correct the test. So each chapter has this organization to it that they're able to reference back to.
But you also want to read the book, so you get other little things that you don't get in the portfolio. You can also go back, read the book, so you get both. And it helps so much to actually read the book, then do your portfolio, and then when you come out to the shop, you see the thing, you see the, let's say like your wheel caliper, you see everything, and you just know how it works. When you take it apart, you know what to look for, what to watch out for, how it goes together, and how everything works. So when you go to diagnose something, it makes it so much easier to diagnose.
So far, the kids have loved it. You know, they really don't mind doing all the work, because they have something to show for it. And I can often, in the distance, see them showing their friends or people from other programs. They look, this is what we do here. And so I found that it's just been a win-win.